National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Christina River at Coots Bridge until late tonight or until the warning is canceled. At 7:45 p.m., the river level was 9.14 feet. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is forecast to rise above flood stage this evening, reaching 11.8 feet before midnight. The river should fall below flood stage late tonight. Impact: at 12.0 feet, significant flooding occurs on Meadow Road in Christina. Salem Church Road and Raybould Road flood. Flooding also occurs in Newark on West Chestnut Hill Road and South College Avenue. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 11.8 feet on September 7, 2011. The current time is 8:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.